Not today.
But I wanna see her, please.
She is good. He came to meet me.
This is the story of Noah and Ali on December 17, 1982. It was the day Noah met Ali in the park.
Sino yung kabal ng babae? Alin dyan? Ay, no, yung nakasin.
Searching so long in this world, trying to find some
Si Anthony. Pati yun siya nakita dito. Nagbabakasyon ng...
love was to me, and you came along. When I saw you, I knew you were the one, the love.
That's Noah. Oo. Katrabaho ni Slim. Di ba sila nakatingin sa atin kanina? Oo, I think he likes you. Hi, Ali. I'm Noah. So, I just wanna ask you for a date. No. Why not? Kasi ayoko. And I don't even know you. Let's go, bitch. Wait, siomay mo.
I've been waiting for you.
Tagapili ka taga-bula. Hoy, babae! Saan ganda mo tataka-taka? Wala yun si Manong, sinagasaan na kita. Hoy! Anong Manong? Hoy, bumalik ka rito. Okay lang, Noah. Pasalanan ko din naman. Di kasi ako tumitingin sa daanan. Saan ka ba galing? Bakit hindi ka tumitingin sa dinadaanan mo? Okay ka lang ba? Wait. Pwede ba isa-isa lang? Ang dami mong tanong. Thank you. Ha? Anong thank you? May kapalit yun, no? Ano yun naman? Ihatid kita. Yes or yes? Bahala ka. Alimate lang.
I'm falling for you, and I don't know what to do. How can something so wrong feel so right all along? Catch me, I'm falling for you. How can
They gave a remarkably convincing portrayal of a boy and a girl traveling down a very long road with no regard for the
They
consequences.
fell in love, didn't they?
Yes, they did.
This is a good story.
I'm glad you like it.
This is my inventory house. You want to check it?
I just wanna kiss you. Just promise me forever.
Do you like it? Ano bang plano mo sa bahay na to? Marami. Gusto kong gawin lahat ng gusto mo. How about me? Sama ba ako sa mga plano mo? Oo naman. Ano bang gusto mo?
Oh, I don't wanna fall, but I just wanna kiss you now.
Ali! Andito ka lang pala. Kanina ka pa hinahanap ng mama mo. Ha? Sandali! Sorry mo, I need to go. Ali! Ay!
Ma, get inside. Please give us a moment.
Just stay here.
You're out fooling around with the boy until 2 o'clock in the morning? Kailangan nyo nagtigil yan. I didn't spend my life para lang palakihin ka, tapos itapon mo lang ang buhay mo sa isang... He's what, ma? Ano? Sabihin mo! He's a trash! Basura siya! Hindi natin siya kauri! He's a trash! Basura siya! Hindi natin siya kauri!
But ma, I love him.
What? You're just 17! Hindi mo alam ano ibig sabihin ng pagmamahal. You have to choose someone who can provide for you, and that's final.
Noah? Noah? Noah, no. Noah, no. Please don't do this to me. Ali, let's end this relationship. No. Masyadong malawak ang mundo. Marami ka pang makikilala na mas better sa akin. Sige, umalis ka. Iwan mo na ako. Sige, umalis ka. Alis!
I knew you tried to change the ending, Peter losing Wendy. I knew you.
Was the night that her parents decided to separate the two of them.
I think it's not right to dictate their lovers' feelings and choose who they want to love.
Good morning, Ma. Good morning. Have your breakfast. Then after that, pack your things.
Why?
We're leaving.
But, di ba tapos sa Christmas break?
Whether you like it or not, aalis na tayo.
No!
Noah,
Melanie! Nakita mo ba si Noah? Sorry, pero wala siya dito. Aalis na kasi kami. Pwede ba sabihin mo sa kanya, I'm sorry. Like, hindi ko sinasadya sabihin ang mga sinabi ko kagabi. Hindi na lang ako ng emosyon ko. Ali, don't make this hard for Noah. Please. Ali, tara na! Pinapuwi ko na ng mama mo. Sabihin mo sa kanya kung sisiyata ka. Sinatan niya ako, okay?
And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. And sooner or later it's over. I just don't want to miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me think that they'd understand when everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
To Ali Collins? Yes.
And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming. All the moment of truth in your lies. When everything feels like the movies. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I'm the one to see me.
To Ali Collins?
They'd understand when everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
Sir, usog ka po. Usog ka po. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Bye.
Ali!
Ano bang plano mo sa bahay na to? Marami. Gusto kong gawin lahat ng gusto mo.
How about me? Sama ba ako sa mga plano mo?
Oo naman. Ano bang gusto mo?
Well, I have an idea for a house. It will be a white with a big front yard and lots of windows. The inside will be open and I'll have a big garden full of flowers. And then I imagine myself in the kitchen baking cookies while the kids are playing outside and there's a big table where we all sit for dinner together.
You want to come here? What do you mean by that?
Just the way you look.
You look different too. But in a good way.
You look kind of the same though.
And you really did it. The house, everything. Yes. Well, I promise you, I will.
I need to go.
Ali,
Ba't hindi ka nagsulat? It wasn't over for me. I waited for 7 years. Why?
huh? Araw-araw akong sumulat sa'yo sa loob ng isang taon. 365 letters. Because it wasn't over for me.
Ma, may alam ka ba sa mga sulat ni Noah?
These are all the letters for you. I hope you made the right decision. You are right. I am wrong. And you are very lucky.
My dearest Allie, couldn't sleep last night because I know that it's over between us. I'm not bitter anymore because I know that what we had was real. And if in some distant place in the future we see each other in our new lives, I'll smile at you with joy and remember how we spent a summer beneath the trees.
Did I drive you away?
Miss Ali.
Hi, Miss Ali. I'm Ira. Hi, Ira. And I'm Ruth. Hi, Ruth. And I'm Jen. Nice to meet you. Ali, it's time to take your afternoon nap. I'll just take a nap. Dad, how is she?
She's doing good today.
Dad, umuwi ka na. Hindi ka na naaalala. Hindi na tayo naaalala. Halos dito ka na nakatira. Please go home.
Ali's my home. This is my home.
Sa'yo aking gising hanggang sa pagtulog. Sa'yo ang pag-ikot ng aking mundo. Kapag magulo na ang mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko.
And this is where the story ends.
It seems that I heard the story before.
You did?
Yes, I did.
You remember?
It was us, my darling. You're my Noah.
You're my Ali.
Sa bawat sandali. Patungo sa'yo ang aking tinig at iisa lang ang sinasabi.
Hi, so dito na kami sa sitting area namin. Yeah, behind the scene are si Ali at si Nora. Yes. Si Ali. Unang talent ko si Ali. Pauna Ali. Walang lights, camera lang, action. Ikaw magsinusakay.
Mag-iilingan man niya ka mo, ilingan.
Parang ayaw na ulit sa lane.
Baka gusto ka mag-sleep. Movie. Adi mo, Ilona.
Hinahanap-hanap ko.
Decided to set up.
Gayon.
Hi, Miss Ali.
Hi, Miss Ali. There.
Wait lang, naiiling ka kaya.
Dali, may slow mo ka mo.
Sige, umalis ka. Iwan mo na ako. Sige, umalis ka. Alas, alas, alas. Yes.
Ano ya? Camera action. Masaya ka mo.
Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag bumibig
children's party. Hello, kids. Ayaw, pakaigin. Ayaw mo, pakaigin. Ayaw mo.
Kaya hindi ka niya maalala, hindi na tayo maalala. Please, Dad, please go home. Sabi lang, Ala is my home.
Papot ka muna ha, papot ka muna. Ala is my home. Sorry, ayaw kasi balik.
Hanap-hanap ko. Tumakbo ka